Hello everyone, so today I'm going to teach you on how to find Roblox item ID on your mobile. So let's open Roblox in your mobile and go to your avatar. Once you go to your avatar, you can go and check your accessories and all, but you cannot find the item ID over here in your mobile. So to do that, you just need to open Roblox again in your web browser. So once in your web browser, continue in your browser, and then after let's click on Marketplace. So over here, you can just go, choose the one that you want, the skin or, the item. So I like this one. So I'm just going to go and, click on the link over here. So once you need to copy the, ID. So you have this one. And this is where the item ID is there. So this is how you can find your item ID by copying the URL of this. So yeah, that's it. So thank you so much for watching.